Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up driving mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To set up our driving mode, we have to go to settings, then in module modes and routines, we have our driving mode. Let's start. We can have our Bluetooth device connected here and our mode will automatically connect to it, but let's skip it for now. We can choose to have do not disturb while this mode is active. We can choose contacts that are allowed to call us, messages, calls, what to allow, when to allow, and of course applications that can disturb our driving mode. And here we have a few other options, as you can see. Let's say we can choose apps here, but let's skip it right now. And now our driving mode is set up. Turn on. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.